In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend an email in Hubspot effectively, whether it's for reaching out to additional contacts or simply ensuring a message gets across. This process will help you achieve your email marketing goals with ease. First, we need to log into Hubspot. Once you're logged into your account, navigate over to the marketing section. You'll see a variety of options here, but the one we're focusing on today is email. Click on email to proceed. Now you'll be presented with a list of emails you've previously sent. When you're trying to resend a particular email, the first thing you'll want to do is locate it in this list. If your list is extensive, you might need to use the search or filter features to quickly find the email you're interested in. Once you've identified the email you wish to resend, click on it to open the details page. Here, you'll find everything related to this specific email campaign. HubSpot provides you with a couple of options for resending. You might see the option to either directly resend or to clone the email. The difference between the two is subtle, but important. Resend allows you to send the exact email as is, while clone creates a copy that you can modify before sending. For this tutorial, let's choose the clone option as it offers more flexibility. Cloning the email creates a new draft that you can edit, and you'll have the opportunity to review each element before dispatching. Now, before hitting that send button, it's crucial to take a moment to modify the recipient list. This step helps to avoid sending the same message to people who've already received it, preventing any confusion or annoyance. HubSpot simplifies this task by allowing you to add or remove contacts as desired, so feel free to refine the audience to your liking. With your recipients confirmed, it's time to review the email content and settings. Double-check the subject line, the main text, and any links included in the email to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. HubSpot also provides settings options, such as smart send times and tracking, which you might want to adjust based on your specific objectives. Finally, once you're confident that everything is in place, you have the choice to either send the email immediately or schedule it for a later time. Scheduling can be particularly useful if you are aiming to land in inboxes at strategic times for better engagement. Simply click on send or select schedule and pick your desired time. And there we have it. You've now successfully learned how to resend and revise an email in HubSpot, maximizing your marketing efforts. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing. Yeah.